Yes.
Hi, Christian. This is Victoria from Martha Real Estate. Are you currently looking to buy a property?
Yes, I am.
That's great to hear, Christian. So when are you planning to purchase the property? For example, this month or maybe in the next couple of months?
In 2 months.
Thanks for sharing that, Christian. I'll make a note of your timeline for purchasing a property. Thanks for confirming, Christian. Would you like me to recommend some properties for you?
Yes, I would like you to recommend some properties.
All right, Christian. Let me ask you a few quick questions to understand your preferences better. First, which area are you looking to buy a property in? For example, Dubai Production City, Jumeirah Lakes Towers, or Dubai Land?
Well, I'm looking to buy a property in maybe Dubai Islands.
Got it, Christian. Dubai Islands is a fantastic choice. Now, what type of property are you looking for? For instance, a townhouse, villa, duplex, or apartment?
An apartment.
All right. All right, an apartment it is. How many bedrooms are you looking for in the apartment, Christian?
2 to 3 bedrooms.
Got it, Christian. A 2 to 3 bedroom apartment. Lastly, could you share your budget range for the property? This will help me find the best options for you.
Sure. My budget range is 10 million to 30 million AED.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that, Christian. Let me find some properties in Dubai Islands that match your preferences for a 2 to 3 bedroom apartment within your budget range. Christian, I found two fantastic options for you in Dubai Island. One, a 2 bedroom apartment in Samana Ocean Pearl, priced at $3,249,000 AED. It spans 1,159 SQ, 50, and is developed by Samana developers. Two, a 3 bedroom apartment in Samana Ocean Pearl, priced at 11 million AED. This one is 1,670 SQ, also by Samana developers. Both properties come with luxurious amenities like a private pool, valet, concierge, and more. Would you like me to share further details about these properties?
Okay. So the second one, which is the third 3 bedrooms apartment in Samana Ocean Pearl, can you tell me a little description about that property?
Absolutely, Christian. The 3 bedroom apartment in Samana Ocean Pearl is a luxurious property located in Dubai Island. It offers a spacious 1,670 SQ feet layout and is priced at 11 million AED. Developed by Samana developers, it is set to be completed by Q4 2026. This apartment is designed for luxury living, featuring amenities like a private pool, valet service, concierge, green spaces, a terrace with a jacuzzi, and even an outdoor cinema. Its location is highly accessible, being just 15 minutes from downtown Dubai, 25 minutes from Marina Dubai, 10 minutes from DXB Airport, and 30 minutes from DWC Airport. It's a perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Does this sound like something you'd be interested in exploring further?
Yes, absolutely.
Thanks for confirming, Christian. I'll make a note of your interest in the 3 bedroom apartment at Samana Ocean Pearl. Great, Christian. Would you like me to book an appointment with an agent to discuss this property further?
Yeah, please book an appointment with an agent.
All right, Christian. Could you please let me know the country you're currently in and the date and time you'd like to book the appointment?
Yeah, I'm in India.
Got it, Christian. You're in India. Now, could you let me know the date and time you'd prefer for the appointment?
Yeah, I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m.
All right, Christian. Let me check the availability for tomorrow at 3 p.m. in India. Hold on for a moment. Good news, Christian. The time slot for tomorrow at 3 p.m. is available. I'll proceed with booking the appointment for you. Let me confirm your email address first. Is it chronoiautomation@gmail.com? Let me spell it out for you. CHRONOAIAUTOMATION@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I'll book the appointment for tomorrow at 3 p.m. for the 3 bedroom apartment in Samana Ocean Pearl. Your appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 3 p.m., Christian. 3-bedroom apartment in Savannah Ocean Pearl. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's good.
Thank you, Christian. Have a great day ahead and best of luck with your property search.
So as you can see that it has booked an appointment very perfectly. So this was an AI voice agent, an outbound AI voice agent for real estate business owner, for a real estate business. And as you can see that it has my name and all the property details for which I have booked an appointment. So if you are a real estate business owner who is looking for outbound AI voice agents for your business as well, this video will be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an outbound AI voice agent for your business as well. So if you are new to this video, hey, my name is Krish. I have my AI automation agency Chrono AI, in which we help business owners streamline their operations through powerful AI systems, whether it be AI chatbots or AI voice agents, you name it, we have it. So if you are interested in something like that, do go into the description. You will find the link to our website and you can just go on to there and book a meeting with us. So now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, this AI voice agent is going to book meetings. It is going to act as a customer support. This is going to recommend the properties to your customers and a lot more. So now, first, before going into the main agent infrastructure, before I'm going to explain you some benefits of it which your business will be having if you have these AI automation system, AI voice system into your business. Now let's get onto the computer screen and understand what are these benefits are. Now let's understand what are the benefits your business is going to be having if you have an AI cold caller into your business or an outbound AI voice agent. First is it can handle multiple calls at once. So if you have a full in-house team who do cold calls, like how many they can do in a single time, maybe 1, 2, 10, 20. This AI voice agent can handle multiple calls at once. So you don't have to worry about the amount. And if your leads are good, then the conversion rates will be go up. The next is 24/7 outreach and lead generation. So if you are wondering, like if you don't have leads, if you don't have high quality leads, if you have nothing to pitch to, these AI voice agents can work 24/7 for you, and it is still going to generate leads into your CRM, and you don't have to worry about any high quality leads. The next is automated lead qualification. The AI agent is going to qualify the lead, whether it is for you, whether they are for you or not, whether they are high quality or low quality. It is going to qualify lead every single time. The next is CRM integration and follow-ups. So it is going to follow up to your clients, to your leads, and it is going to track every single thing into a CRM. It is going to store every single thing which you want into your CRM. The last is better insights and conversion tracking. So if your leads is converting or not, if your leads are better or not, if your business is doing better or not, everything which you want, a single detail, every single detail is going to be in your CRM, and it is going to be available to you in the dashboard as well. So you will have an idea of how your business is working. So now these was the benefits of your business if you are going to be having an AI cold caller into your business. Now that we have understood what are the benefits of this AI voice agents are, now let's understand what is the flow behind this, so that you will have an idea. Now you have heard how it is going to be sounding. Now let's understand how it is going to be working. So as you can see, it starts from here. First it is going to start, then it is going to call the person and greet them and confirm their name. So for example, hey, it's Victoria from Marfa Real Estate. Am I speaking with Krishna? So like that. and then it is going to get the confirmation, and it is going to inquire with them whether they want to buy or they are looking for a property or not, like it done with me. And it's going to listen to the confirmation, and if they are not looking for a property, it is going to go here and it is going to ask them like if they want to buy in the future or not. If they don't want to buy in the near future, it is going to end the call with a polite message like thanks for giving your time. Or if they agree, then it is going to capture their lead and store in the CRM. Like in what CRM I am going to show you in a little later. Then it is going to ask them if yes, they are looking to buy a property. It is going to ask them when they are buying, and after buying, if they are serious buyers, if they are looking to buy a property under an year, like in 3 or 4 months, so it is going to ask them if they want to get recommended with properties. If they say no, it is going to end the call with a polite message. And if yes, it is going to collect their preferred location, type of home, number of bedrooms, preferred budget, and then it is going to recommend the properties based on that details, like it did with me. And then the agent is going to ask like if they want to book an appointment for this specific property. If they say no, then it is going to not book an appointment. And if say yes, it is going to ask in which country they are in. If they are in, whether they are in UAE, Russia, India, Singapore. So this is for international clients. So if you want to get international clients, international appointment booking, this will be a perfect agent for you. And if you are looking for this kind of agent as well, you know what to do. Go into the description and book a call with us. And then based on the country, it is going to check the availability like it did. And if it is not available, it is going to provide the other time slots for them, like sorry, we are not available at this time, can we book at another time? These are the available times. And then the other person is going to book the appointment, and if it is available, then great, we are available at that time. Please provide me with your best email or phone to contact you on. And when they will provide their email and phone number to contact you on, and then the appointment is booked. So yeah, this was the flow. I hope you get it. And if you have any doubt, just comment down below. And if you want one, just go into the description in the website and you can book one with us. Now that we have understand the benefits and the flow of this AI voice agent, now it's time to understand how to literally build this voice agent. Now, I will provide you with every single resources completely for free. In the description down below, there will be a document which you will find. Just go into there and you will have every single resources on your fingertips, and you can just follow along, copy and paste whatever, you can have those resources. Now that we have understood the flow, let's get on to how to literally build it. So let's go to Retell AI, because in this video we are going to be using two platforms on the main. First is Retell AI, second is Make.com. Retell AI is going to be acting as a voice agent infrastructure, where we are going to be explaining every single detail, instruction and function details. And the second one is Make.com, in which we are going to be building every single functions. Now let's get on to Retell AI. So if you don't know what Retell AI is one of the best platform out there which lets you to create AI voice agents with ease. How to access it? Just go into the description. You will find a link there which will redirect you to this website. When you will be on this website, what you have to do, you have to just click on try for free or log in if you already have an account. And just click on here and you will be on the main dashboard of Retell AI. Now it is going to be looking like this. So if you want to learn about Retell AI, because I will not go into everything in detail, if you want to learn it in detail, I will leave a video in the I button, or also in the description, so you can just go there and watch the video. Now there are 3 things which you want in order to build a perfect voice agent: the agent itself, the knowledge base, and the third is the number itself. So let's start with phone number. So when you will be going on here, phone numbers, just click on plus, connect your number with SIP trunking. You will place your phone number here, termination URL here, SIP username and password here, and your number will be connected. Okay. Just click on save and your number will be here, and just assign the outbound agent with your number, otherwise the agent will not work. Next, you need a knowledge base. So just go on knowledge base, click on plus. Knowledge base is basically the brain of the AI agent, and you can enter the number here, let's say test, and when you will click on add, you can click on add web pages, through which you can add web pages, and you can add a file, you can add a text. Just click on add web pages. If you want to add your own website or your client's website, just go on to their website and click here and go back, paste it here, click on save, select all sitemaps like this, because if you will select one, your agent is going to be having less knowledge and it can cause errors. So I have already, so I will click on cancel, and now we are good to go to build our own agent. Now what you have to do, you have to just click on create agent and multi-prompt agent, because single prompt agent is of very minimalistic and they don't have that many functionality. Now you can click on start from blank, or you can add the preset to the flow. So you can click on density schedule, lead qualification, but we are starting from blank, so we will click on blank. Because I have already an agent built so that we both can save time, so I'm going to explain that. Don't worry, everything will be provided to you in the description, so you just go there, and if you want this agent for your business, you can also contact us through the description from our website. Now this is the main creation page where we create our AI agent. Now I'm not going to go everything in detail, but if you want, go on to the button. So from here you can select the LLM. Let's just go on to every single thing quickly. From here you can select the LLM. GPT-4o is best for us. You can adjust the setting, but I prefer to let it be. Now next you can select the voice. We prefer Kate in 11 labs. You can just play around, and you will have the best voice according to you. You can select the model, and you can also select the speed, temperature, volume. You can select the language, whether it be English, multilingual, Hindi, whatever you want. This is the main system prompt. So when you will go into the description, and you will find a document where every resources will be. Just go there and copy the system prompt and paste it here. And you can tweak it according to your business, because this is according to the real estate business, which is in the international boundaries. So it is according to that. Next is function. There are mainly 2 functions, which is here, transfer call, end call, and you can just play along with that. Next is knowledge base. You can add the knowledge base from here. Just click on add and select one of yours. Next is speech settings. You can play with speech settings, what background sound you want to have, how fast it should be in responsiveness, how much interruption sensitivity it should have, whether it should have enable back channeling. Back channeling is basically the other words, the filler words like yeah, yeah, like that. So the next is like you can see, yeah, okay. And boosted keywords, if there are some words which you want the agent to specially repronounce, like some company names or some person's name, you can add up on here. Then there is speech normalization, normalizes the speech. Transcript formatting, it does not transcript from. So all these you can just read it, play along with it, and you will get a hold of these settings. Then there is call setting, like how much time should it be when it ends the call. There is 55 seconds or 1 minute. How much max duration of call would be. There is 10 minutes here. Then if you want to send the end of call report, you can also specify here all the fields. There is security settings, and there is webhook settings, and yeah, the webhook you are seeing here is for end of call report, and I am also going to be showing you how you can set up that in a little while. But first, let's understand the Retell part. There is welcome message. You can set up your own welcome message here. You can test the audio from here, and if you want to test specifically the functions, you can test here like a chatbot. Now that we have understood the main page here, now let's understand the prompt tree, because that is the very main part of this AI voice agent, because although all of the functions are in the prompt tree. So now let's go on to the prompt tree. As you can see, there are all the states here. So if you don't know what prompt tree is basically where we specify all the functions, and the cards you can see here are the states, right? So now first intro, okay. Now here first, this intro states, like many times the agent gives an error and directly jumps into property recommendation. So that in order to that not happen, we are specifying here the intro state. And in the intro state, we are specifying like what are the main steps first it has to follow, and according to that, what steps it has to be taken and what steps it has to take. For example, we are specifying here the role of it. Then it is going to be explaining what is the process of it, like confirm the identity, ask for interest, handle the response, and you can read. I will give you the prompt. And there are important notes that like don't repeat the same thing again, very important once they say yes. And also there is, according to that, we have to go along. Now if they want to buy a property, it is going to go on here, but before that, as we saw in the flow here, that it is going to ask for them if they are looking for a property, and if they say no, it is going to collect the lead of when they want to buy a property. And in this specific function, it is mentioned just that. So if you don't know what custom function is the very much important part which allows us to perform functions. And if the states, if your AI voice agent will not have these, they will not be performing the functions. So if we go on to here. So if we go on here, this is the basic flow of lead generation, where this is the webhook. So just when you are going to be on this make.com, which we are going to be using for building our scenarios, automation flows. So just click on right click, add a module, and add a webhook. There you will be having the custom webhook, and click on here, add your webhook URL, just copy here and paste here, and it is going to be connected with your automation flow. And then there is the JSON, which is having all the details which we want to collect from the customer. So everything will be available to you, don't worry. Then what we are doing is, it is going on property recommendation, and here is the prompt, and it is specifying that you have to collect the location, type of home, number of bedrooms, budget in AED, in order to recommend some good properties. And it is possible because of this function and this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is of where it is. On the basis of these fields, it is recommending the properties from here. It is receiving the request, searching the rows, which rows in this database. I'm also going to be providing you with this database in which all the properties are, so you can tweak it around according to your business as well. Then it is searching where it is, here. So then it is searching the rows and it is converting them into a JSON structure, which is understood by this OpenAI, and by the help of this OpenAI, it is searching the properties, and it is going to be generating a message, and it is going to giving a response through this webhook response, and then we are going to be receiving the answer. Then also it is going to be collecting the property lead capture. Now I didn't shown you the other database, other Google Sheet. So yeah, as you can see, my all details are here in this Google Sheet. As you can see, there is my name, phone number, my location, apartment, what type of property I was looking for, my budget range, my number of bedrooms, and what is my buying timeline is. So this database, this Google Sheet, will also be available to you in the description, where all the resources will be. Next, we are booking the appointment with the other person. So this prompt here is stating that first you have to collect the country, then you have to check the time by collecting the preferred date and time, and if it is not available, you have to suggest something else, and if that is available, book the appointment. And in this function, we are first specifying the checking availability, and here is name, description, and this webhook URL. So which one? Here. So if you have figured out, if you have freaked out, don't worry, because all these branches represent different countries. For example, this branch, this one specifies India, and this one specifies UAE, this one specifies Russia, and this one specifies Singapore, and this one specifies the other. For example, if you have also other countries where your business in, you can specify that here. Yeah. And if you are struggling to book meetings in the other countries, and if you are not properly functioning in multiple countries, we can help you with that. Just book an appointment with us through the website or through the description. Now, it is going to be checking availability after collecting the preferred date and time and collecting the country. So as I said, I was from India, so it is going to be on this way. It is going to be collecting the preferred date and time. It is going to then structure it properly according to these filters, and these what these OpenAI modules are. It do just that, and according to the country, it is going to go on that path. And as you can see here, it is going to convert that into the IST time, and then it is going to check the calendar. If it is available, it is going to go on here, and if it is not available, it is going to go on here, and it is going to like describe the other time slots that there is. And everything is self-explanatory. Everything will be automatically set up for you. Just to connect your accounts to here, and if you have any difficulty, just comment down below. Next is booking appointment. So it is going first, the person, when the other person confirms that yeah, this is the perfect time, yeah, okay, let's book an appointment at this time, this function is going to book an appointment for them. It is going to, there is name, there is description, there is URL. So So as I said, for placing the URL, you just have to right click, add a module, and add a webhook, like as you can see, custom webhook, and you can add one and just copy the address and paste here, and you are done. Now where we were here. Delete this, and first it is going to be receiving the preferred date and time, then it is going to convert it in proper format, and based on the countries it is going to go, like if it is USA, then here, India, then here, UAE, then here, Russia, Singapore, other, and then it is going to book the appointment, and it is done. As you can see, like I booked an appointment in front of you all guys here. Now let's small this and let's get back. So this was all the agent, and I literally explained you, like, yeah, I didn't explain you this. This is the cold caller flow of this voice agent. So first, so every function there is important, but if your agent is not going to be having this specific flow, it is not going to be cold calling. So first it is going to be searching the row. Okay, I didn't show you that. As you can see that there is my phone number, my name, my email, my firm name. Well, this is not important. You can change it according to your company, whatever field your company takes in. Then there is status. So in order to call, you have to set it to not called, otherwise it will not be calling. And when it is call, it is going to call, it is going to be changed into called, like it was here. And what these are, I am going to explain you in just a bit. If there are not called, if it is not called, then it is going to search the rows, and it is this module, it is going to cold call the other person. And as you can see here, from number, here you have to specify your number, and here we are going to be specifying the other person's number. You have to write your agent's ID here. So how to do that? Just go into your agent, and this is the agent ID. Just copy it and paste it here. And then there is dynamic variables. You can specify them according to you. Then save, and this update row module, it is going to update the thing here from not called to called. Now, as we have understood this cold calling module, this outbound lead gen module, this book appointment, check availability, that this property recommendation, one last module that remains and one last scenario that remains was of end of call report. And if you want a dedicated video on how to set this end of call report for Retell AI, just drop down a comment and I will make one for you. Now, this is the flow of end of call result. Now, what you have to do, you have to just click on add a module, then you have to go on webhook, then you have to click on custom webhook, and that webhook you have to paste on here, like I told you. And you will, it will be connected with your scenario. Just delete this, search rows. Now it is going to search rows based on if the phone number is there or not. Like it is going to search the row according to, on the basis of the phone number. Then where we were, here. Now click on save. Now that we have searched the rows, then there is this OpenAI module. And what this OpenAI module is doing, it is converting the transcript in the short summary. And it is going to be receiving the transcript at the end of the call. And what transcript? Yeah, it is also going to be capturing all the transcript which the user is going to be having with the agent, all the conversation. So as you can see, as I talk to him, I speaking with Krishna, yeah, and all this. You will also be having the access of this database in the description. let's go to here. Yeah, save. Next. Okay, so what basically happens is the Retell AI phone call goes on 3 different stages. The first is get a call, first is start call, second is analyze call, and third is end call. So what happens is the webhook receives the information 2 times. First is when the call is starting, second is when the call is ending. So when the phone call is getting started, it already receives the information and the flow got cut off. So in order that it doesn't happen, we are going to be specifying the filter here. So if there is a summary, only then it is going to be going on this path, because summary always comes in the end of the call, and all the details which we are required, which we want, comes at the end of the call. As you can see, check that the transcript is empty, because the transcript come empty at the start of the call. So if there is the transcript which is empty, it is not going to be functioning. But if it is not empty, then it is going to be going on here, and what it is going to be doing, it is going to be filling this in here in this cell. So yeah, that was the agent. I hope you get everything. If you have any doubt, just go into the description. And if you are looking for AI automation systems and AI voice systems for your business, if you are doing your business internationally, if you want to get clients internationally for your real estate business and for your real estate properties, just go into the description and you will find a link there, and you can book a call from our websites. Alright, so now I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, and remember, it's just getting started. And yeah, if you want to master Retell AI, just watch the video on the right. Now, bye bye.